Friends, today I'm going to show that how to hide friends on Facebook. Friends, to hide friends on Facebook, it's an easy process. Friends, for this you have to watch the whole video, don't miss anything. And after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. So friends, for this you have to go on your Facebook. After that, tap on the menu at the down right corner. Then my friends, tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Tap on the search option, my friends. Magnify options at the top right corner. And you have to write here like this, FRI, like this, my friends. Then you'll find here who can see your friend list. Just tap on here. And you'll find this, my friends, who can see your friend list public. Just tap on the drop down sign. And you can choose from here friends, friends accept, specific friends, only me, close friends. If you want to hide the friends on Facebook, just tap on only me, my friends. Done, right? So friends, like this, if you want, you can hide friends on Facebook. Friends, to hide friends on Facebook, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give you answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.